Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the wallpaper from the My Screen and the lock screen of your phone. As you see, this is the My Wallpapers, and let's check it out to change it. So go to the settings and search for option wallpaper here. And as you see, there is a preview of the lock screen and home screen, how it looks like. And you can go to My Wallpaper here and choose from the wallpaper which is installed in your phone, preloaded that. And let's gonna check this option on the home screen right now and choose this option on the lock screen. That's it. Now you can of course choose the wallpaper from your gallery if you have some picture on it, and you can go to wallpaper service and choose the option show white page and make dynamic lock screen. So let's get back here, and as you see, we have our new wallpaper on the home screen. And let's take a look at the lock screen is changed too. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!